Hey, Jessie here. I'm so glad you found this video because it means you want to learn more about doTERRA essential oils, and I am so excited to teach you just fun tips and tricks using your doTERRA essential oils. If you don't have doTERRA essential oils and after watching this video, you're ready to get some, check in the show notes because my contact info is there and I would love to hook you up with discounted pricing and all the fun things. So reach out to me. I would love to do that and be your oil mentor and teach you more than I do in these YouTube videos. But in this video, I just wanted to show you really quick some of the oils that I keep on hand with me in our car when we're just out and about. And it's so wonderful because, you know, we're on a road trip or we live out in the country. So when we drive into town, we drive a half an hour and I don't have my whole oil stash with me, except I have a big good stash in my car. So I just wanted to show you some of the stuff that I have. So take note, and if you have questions, of course, reach out. So the first thing I've got here in my car, I got this little pouch. I got it in Nepal when I went with doTERRA on a co-impact sourcing and healing hands trip to Nepal, because doTERRA goes where we source our oils the best. And so Nepal is where wintergreen grows the best, amongst other things in Nepal. And so we got to go and do amazing, wonderful things there. So if you want to learn more about that, let me know. But in this little pouch, I have lozenges. I have an assortment of all the different doTERRA lozenges that they have. So there's breathe drops in there, which is great if you have respiratory going on. The On Guard ones, I think sore throat. There's ginger drops if your belly's upset. Or even have a few of the lemon lime ones, which you can't buy those all the time. But if you ever are shopping and you see that doTERRA has them, you need to buy them. They're just delicious. Okay, the next thing I have is this little pill case where I keep an assortment of different pills that doTERRA offers or supplements. So I have Mito 2 Max, which is the natural energy supplement, which is great to have in the car if you're on a road trip, getting sleepy. I have Digestin soft gels, so if you just eat a little too much, or when you're on the road, just sometimes the food you eat is just not the same, right? And then Terrazyme, same idea. If you eat too much, take a Terrazyme. Poof. Then I have Tri soft gels, so it's like the allergy pill. Works awesome. If you go somewhere, there's just like smoke in the air, something in the air. You want to use Tri-Ease. Then I have MetaPower Assist, which is the one to help balance out your blood sugar. And that one you take about 15-20 minutes before you eat. So I keep that on hand. And then I have On Guard chewable tablets, which is a chewable tablet that you suck on it for a little bit, but it's just great for immune health. And then the last thing I have in there is Digest Tab, and it's all empty because my kids treat it like candy. Oh my goodness, my arm's getting tired. Can you guys tell? Sorry if it's shaky. Woo! Okay, here we go. Yay for a video recording in the car. Okay, but I actually have a big bottle of Digest Tab. This is so good. So good. You want these. This is one of the unsung heroes of doTERRA. So it's what do we call it? It's like Tums, like a natural Tums. They work awesome. And you just chew them like a Tums. So good. Okay, then I got this whole oil clutch full of oils. So I have a little bottle of fractionated coconut oil. So when you need to dilute. What else do I have in here? I have an allergy roller. I have peppermint, so you can roll it on your temples if you're needing a little pick-me-up. I got peppermint and wild orange. It's a great one to diffuse. I've got a diffuser in the car because you need to have a car diffuser. Every successful oiler has a diffuser in their car. So peppermint wild orange is one of our favorites. I have a smattering of other oils in here. What do I got? There's like basil, because we love doing basil for natural energy. Let's see. I have breathe, lemon, Digestin, Motivate, just all some of our favorite most used oils. So keep some of your oils in your car. And what I like to do, oh my goodness, my arm's so tight. Okay, one of the things that I like to do, this is just real videos with Jessie. When I get a bottle of oil, when it's done, then I, replace it. I buy a new bottle of oil. But rather than throwing away the old bottle of oils, I'll transfer some of the new bottle into the old bottle. So then I go and take the old bottle into the car. And that way, then I can have 2 bottles of lemon, one in my kitchen, one in the car. And that's how I just start, and I gradually do that as I use it up and replace it. Then I just put it in another place in the house, but it's not like a full bottle. Does that make sense? Okay, next I've got On Guard hand sanitizing gel. So just like you would use hand sanitizing gel elsewhere, it's like this is just a good, clean, not toxic version of hand sanitizing gel. There's also the On Guard spray that we really like. We actually are out. I need to get some more of that. And then last but not least, hand lotion. This is it's a little, can you see the size of my face? It's just a little bottle of lotion, which I really like. And it's a Citrus Bliss version because, man, my hands get dry. Do your hands get dry? Okay, that was just like a really quick sort of crazy video, but I wanted to show you just the stuff, real life what we keep, what we use all the time in our car, on the go. Reach out if you have questions. I hope you learned some new things, and then I will see you on my next video. Every Thursday, I drop a new video, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon.